Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play competitive in CS2. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the first thing you actually want to do is go ahead and open CS2. And once you have done that, it will look something like this. Now, in order to play competitive, we will have to go up to the top in the middle. And you want to look for this option that says play just here, and by default will be taken to Premier at the top here. But in order to play competitive, we just want to switch over to competitive, and then from here we can choose which maps we want to play, and then when we're ready we can go ahead and click go, and from there it will start searching for players and servers. And then once it has found a server and players for you to join, it will pop up like this saying your match is ready, and all you have to do is click accept, and from there you'll be able to play competitive. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.